Hey Jessica, thank you for requesting this video today. Today I want to discuss with you about and talk about water damage zone. And but before we get into that, I want to kind of explain on how you could be found by Google and how also your clients will be found. So let's take a quick peek at those three items. So let's just say, for instance, when you type in water damage restoration Los Angeles, the first thing that pops up is this sponsored. You get these sponsors up in the top. This is one way on how you could be found. The next way on how you could be found is what we call the map pack area. That's these three top positions right here, and in order to get here, you just need to make sure to complete your Google Business Profile at 100% and constantly make maintenance and optimizing it. And also, what's very important is citations. And citations are um, basically just a bunch of directories linking to your Google Business Profile. So it's like a digital phone book, if you will. Third thing on how or excuse me, the third way on how you could be found by your customers is the organic section. That's these three top positions right here. And in order to get here, you got to make sure your website is optimized with proper content, with proper backlinks and keywords. And also, you want to be um, doing everything organically, so that way, with proper SEO backlinking, you can definitely um, be up there on the top and in the position that you want to be. So, with that, let's get started on talking about water damage zone. All right. So, when I first come to your webpage, I like how you have your logo up here. It looks like you have a drop down right here. It's pretty nice. It just appears out of nowhere. I like that. You got your free estimate tab here. License number in the top. I like that. I like how you have your different phone numbers up here. Let's kind of scroll down. Okay, let's see. All right, so you do have keywords. I see. Nice. I like that. But what Google really looks for ends right there. Okay. What Google really looks for is about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, meaning that's only for the homepage only. So basically, that's what Google looks for. Um, they also look for every 250 words, you would want to save a keyword. So, I mean, saving keywords to your homepage works great, but to really optimize it better, these need to be spread out. So that way, um, it could show that you're organized, and it could show basically that you're doing it the way that Google wants you to do it. And with that, that's pretty much it as far as content goes. But first, let's just see what your competitor's doing real quick. Okay, Dry Master US is your competitor. Let's kind of scroll down and see they're kind of doing the same thing along with their keywords as well. So they're lacking in content as well. They got about 300, I would say. Um, you guys have around 3 or 400 content, so maybe 300. So with that, I mean, in a nutshell, that's pretty much what Google looks for in content, as far as saving your keywords properly and how many words you actually have. So the next thing I want to discuss is about backlinks and keywords. Now, this is in this tool right here. I plugged in your website, and this shows a live present view of your website right now as we speak. So you have your strength and your trusted here. And you also have your backlinks. Referring domains are very important. So through your site, you have 54 organics that you're using that's bringing you 101 organic traffic. Okay, so these 71 keywords are the ones that are actually bringing volume. This one, let's see. Okay, this keyword right here, water damage, restoration, palos, palos verdes. This one right here is not bringing you anything, so it's not really doing anything for you as far as that goes. And then the Google looks for stuff like that. So in a nutshell, you always want to make sure that you use the proper keywords for that area. You want to make sure that everything is saved properly, that ties into your website for that service area using keywords, and also with the proper SEO backlinking. You can definitely optimize to full potential. Here is your competitors right here, which is drymaster.us. Um, and if you look real closely, they have a lower rating here than you guys, but if you want to take a closer look, they only have 65 referrings, okay, but they have 108 organic keywords that they're using. You have 54. They are getting 222 organic traffic. You're getting 101, so that's a little more than. Um, so they're getting years and a half. So probably, basically, so if you had, let's see, 122, then that would be you'd be getting half of what they're getting. So in a nutshell, I mean that's really how what it goes down to is proper SEO techniques to try to get you back on track and get you saved optimally and organically. That's about all I have for you. Let's just do a quick recap on what we kind of discussed and touched on how you could be found. So, like I said and I mentioned earlier before, if you type in water damage restoration, it could be fire damage restoration, whatever you want to target for your service area, your main service area, then we can go for that. But the three different ways, like we mentioned, your sponsored way and how you can get and be found. The second way is the map pack area with citations, and keep mind, take a note that when you are ranking up here, 30% of your business will come from these three top positions. So just keep that in mind. Down here on the organic section is the third and my personal favorite way to be found right here. Take note that 70% of your business will come from these three slots. So if you're not up here, you're basically just leaving money on the table. I mean, this is a bunch of organic traffic that you could be getting. Just think of your investment of your website as a digital ATM, and you want it to fully function, right, to pay you out. So that's basically all I have for you, Jessica. I hope that this information is useful to you. If you happen to need a guide to help you in your journey, to help you grow and take your business to new heights, feel free to give me a call. My name is Joshua. I'm with Peterson SEO. My phone number is 505-331-7995, and you can reach me at my email at joshua@petersonseoconsulting.com. And if not, no harm, no foul. I mean, this information is free for you to use. Use as you will. With that, I hope that I hear from you soon. I appreciate you and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.